gone, man. You guys took them all. There they are, ready to go out. Those are kicker pedals. Thank you for ordering them. Thank you.
Build a hype. That was really good. I'm proud of you on that one. Hey, let's unload these parts that you did not come with me to swap meet or help. Swap meet? It was fine. Lonely.
Lonely?
Yeah, it was all by myself. You didn't go, he didn't go, I was just there by myself. It was fantastic. 4:30, the 4:30 drive was perfect. You know, quiet. I got to reflect on how no one came with me.
No one likes you.
That makes sense now. I know that now. Are we bringing these? We should, to the van? Oh, dude, this shitbox front end. It leaked all of its shitty oil all over my van.
Hey, these are mine.
No one wanted this. I just had it like this lying out.
You're like a consignment store.
Kinda.
Yeah, sick.
This is my swap meet bike.
I really like the saddlebags.
This is my swap meet bike.
That's not a joke.
Hit it, Craig. All my jewels, all my treasures.
It's trash. It's all trash. That looks exactly the same.
This is the same stuff that I brought. Yes, you're right.
Where's the good stuff?
I'll show it. We gotta get the other stuff out first.
Oh, I have to help you?
I would like that. This is that frame piece that we gotta do for the guy. I gotta shorten this and swoop it. Give it the old Cafe Racer subframe. Bam, look at that. Oh, wow. Spool wheels is what it's all about right there. We gotta bring it back to life.
Looks like a few other frames we have sitting there.
It's got good bones, you know?
Where are those good bones?
They're here. Right here. This is, you really want to see what the girls get? You want to get what gets the girls' Johnny's tingling, huh? Woo! Wow. That's some Sausalito right there, bud.
Oh, it looks paint.
It's got a hole in it, but that's, I know a guy that'll fix that.
Is this a sticker?
That's a sticker, yeah. They didn't know that. It doesn't look like I sold a lot because I didn't, but we got some cool stuff. And that's all that matters. You know, it's the memories.
You went there to buy.
It's the memories that we made.
I wasn't there.
Yeah, but I thought about you guys being there, and it's the memories that I have. You know? It's the memories we could have made. There is oil everywhere. I think we're getting given a motorcycle. We're gonna go pick it up in a minute. Oh, we're never getting out of here.
You really boned us this time.
I definitely did. Oh, dude, the locals, brothers. That's the curb. That's definitely the curb. This taxi cab's trying to Tokyo drift us. Get out of the way. Oh, you see? Something is on fire in the middle of the road, I think.
What is that?
Oh, someone must be doing a burnout. We one time saw a guy up at the intersection up here doing like Tai Chi in the middle of like the intersection, and then some other guy across the street just completely OD'd on the ground. That's the neighborhood we're in.
Tai Chi.
Tai Chi.
My neighbor does Tai Chi.
Yeah, I bet.
He does.
He also tries to get you to go into his jacuzzi with him all the time.
This is a real thing.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't done it yet.
Oh no, he burned us. I'm gonna run it, I think.
There's a camera.
Hold on, everybody hold on. We're good. We're only going 5 miles an hour. That was a pretty dangerous intersection.
I'm holding on.
You have nothing to lose, Craig.
What if you die? What are you really losing?
What? This isn't the right channel for that.
Oh, I'm just
Wrong
saying.
channel, bro.
Things.
This place right here, Beto's, was like the best burrito spot. They got fucking busted for distributing meth. We might be getting killed.
At least we're filming it.
Ooh, there we go. Get it. Get after it.
So what's the story here?
When I met him like a couple months ago, was telling me that he has had a bike in that garage for a long time that he hasn't ridden in forever and doesn't really want. And I was like, well, if he wants to get it up and running, let us know and we'll take a look at it. And then he just came walking over and was like, "Do you like this bike? I'll give it to you." And I was like, "Yeah, of course." We're like, "Of course." Oh, is that okay? All right. Over here. Okay. All right. Okay.
This is exciting.
It's a Kawasaki.
Oh.
Okay. Cool. You want to help opening the door? Are we going out this way?
You can go this way.
Perfect.
This is gonna be the hard part.
That's gonna be that'll be a difficult part. I'm gonna have to go up here. Front tires, new.
Looked a lot nicer in the pictures.
Ready? It is crusty, and it smelled like cat pee in there. But I think it's cool. Supermoto sounds expensive, right? It's a Kawasaki Uni-Track, so we're gonna have to look that up. Bassani pipe? That seems like a sought-after piece. I would like to find out what this is exactly.
Search it up.
Search it up. This bike's gonna give us a cold, for sure.
I have that weird feeling. As soon as I walked in there, I was like,
It's gonna give us a cold.
It's worse than COVID.
Bye. Did we just pick up a pile of junk? Probably. Most likely. Kawasaki GPZ.
It's Carlo!
It's Carlo!
Carlo!
Sure. Just change the what?
Does he not hear this?
Alright, we're harassing this kid with a broken foot right now. I'll call you later. Yo! Hey! He turns his bike off with a, what is he, was he have like a wire nut on a wire?
It's wires twisted together.
That's what's up. Oh, when this comes out, that Saturday, the 15th, we are having a party in Tiverton, Rhode Island. BYOB at Burke's V-Twin. Come on out.
5 Mill Street, Tiverton, Rhode Island. What was there a name for this?
Spring Breakout Bash.
Having like mild regret.
About picking this up?
It's like a burden now.
It just needs a hose off.
It seems like a good idea in the moment.
It just needs to be hosed down. What are we gonna do? It's here now.
That looks melted.
That's something. We'll get rid of it, don't worry. I have to wash my hands up.
Don't you feel that way?
Oh yeah. Should we just put it on Main South and just put a sign on it that says free?
I mean, he would see that.
Yeah, he would.
He's our neighbor.
He sure is.
Yeah. Can we take it to the power washing thing? I gotta clean this bitch.
We're restoring it. We're restoring the bike. You can't say no to a free motorcycle.
You can. I guess this was a team. I could have said
You
no.
could have said no. You have half the power here. I don't think this works the way we think it works. This is like one of the automated ones.
Yeah, that comes around. Can we push the bike in?
And just let it do its thing?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't see why not.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. We're giving her the deluxe for the basic for $9.
You don't want to go with it?
You want to go ultimate for 15?
We definitely need to go.
All right, let's do the ultimate.
It's got a double pass hot foamy pre-soak. Hold on. The ultimate or super deluxe?
The ultimate, I guess. We're going for it. Oh.
This is gonna happen. Something's gonna happen.
Oh, you gotta go past it? Oh, shit! Are we doing this?
1, 2, 3.
I hope it sprays you so bad, please. Is there no power wash stations anywhere? Yeah. Oh, it's just now gross and wet.
Most people strive for progress. I don't really know what we strive for.
We're taking two steps back.
We should have just left it in that car wash.
Yeah. Next time we load this bike, it will be to leave it on the side of the road.
You know?
This thing is awful. Put this gas cap in. Ew, look at that. Looks like a long face.
Can I draw on it?
No.
Why not?
Because you're going to draw something bad.
I'm gonna draw like a lips and a nose.
Lips and a nose? Alright. Draw some big ass bell pepper nose like you got. Wow, that's a good nose, dude. Damn.
No, it's a dog bone.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. Thumbnail. I gotta finish welding this and metal finishing it for final assembly. We are like right on the cusp of a couple bikes being finished.
This is the first time we ever had a tank chrome. But this is the first time we've ever done anything like this. It's like a chemical reaction. If you look in there, it kind of makes the whole inside of the tank rusty. So my goal today is to fill it with this shit.
Put a funnel in it and throw a petcock in it, I guess.
That's all I have. That's not what I expected it to look like. How have we never used this stuff before? You just let it sit for like a day.
Listen, we got a free bike. Be excited about it.
I'm very excited about this free bike.
We're gonna keep it forever. You wanna start?
Please like and subscribe.
Follow us on Instagram.
Hit that like button.
Follow us on TikTok.
Hit that like button.
Follow us on Patreon.
Hit that notification bell.